How to hide online status on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can hide online status on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to hide online status on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to see this type of interface where just come to the profile icon by tapping the profile icon here. Tap the three lines option from the top right and then just go to settings. When you go to settings, go to privacy, and when you go to privacy, here you'll find this option known as activity status. Just make sure to tap on activity status, and when you tap on activity status, here you'll find these toggles. All you have to do is, in order to hide it, you have to just turn off these two toggles, and when you do that, your online status will be hidden from the public on Instagram. This way you can hide online status on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.